Hello and good morning, viewers and traders. Welcome to the technical analysis session of Five Circles Private Limited. Today, we are starting a new series of videos in English for those viewers who do not understand Hindi, or in other way, we can say English. So today we will be analyzing Shalimar Paints basically for two reasons. One of the reason, Sharadji, that the stock was in news. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. The stock was in the news for not very good reason. The reason was that its CEO has resigned on personal grounds. Now, whenever somebody resigns, the grounds given are always personal, but we do not really know what has happened in the company. However, we will keep this news aside.
Sir, I want to correct you. The person who resigned is not CEO, he is CFO.
Okay. Sorry.
So it is not that negative.
Okay. It's not very negative. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So the stock has, as also the second reason that we are analyzing the stock, because the stock has shown a very typical nature, Sharaji,
Yes,
which is very, very uncommon. And I have seen it first time. That the prices squeeze for a particular period of time, then they come into momentum, thereafter again they squeeze, and then the momentum starts again.
Right.
So it's a repetitive nature. Every stock has some kind of nature that we all know. So because of this particular reason, the analysis will be very short, because we are not showing any indicators, momentum, patterns, nothing, just showing the nature of the stock. So Sharajji, please allow me to share my charts. It will be only one chart, that will be weekly chart.
Yes.
So may
so
I
kindly
have your
go ahead.
permission to...
Yes, sir, please go ahead.
Okay. So, okay, not yet loaded. Can you see my chart, Sharajji?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, this is a weekly chart and this is a linear chart. Generally, we do analysis on log charts.
Yeah, we do analysis on log chart, combination of linear and log, sometime only on log, sometime only on linear. So that's how we work. Yeah.
Okay. So what is our aim? The aim, as I explained, is to see the typical nature of the stock, and from that particular typical nature, we will be deriving any trading idea if it is existing there. So first of all, as usual, the basics. Let's draw a support zone. I have not drawn say trend line, but I have drawn a support zone.
Yes.
So you can see from almost 23 March 20, this particular stock is following this particular zone, and it has not breached this zone. So it is a very, very significant movement, and it is rising slowly and slowly. But while rising, it has formed a few, I cannot say pattern, but it's a typical, it has developed a typical nature for itself. So let's see what's that nature. So do you see this resistance zone, Sharajji?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will show you how much time it has taken to come into this particular nature. So I think
the upper one, sir. The upper
I will
one.
have to draw it. Okay. I will have to draw it again, or
the upper one.
Okay,
Yes.
sorry.
This one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you see this particular squeezed price zone was continuing for 273 days, total 39 bars. Okay. So what happened thereafter? It has gained momentum, that you can see. And it has formed a different resistance zone.
Yes.
So it has, I mean, there are many ups and downs, but it has not breached this particular resistance zone. So very significant. So let's see whether this particular So you must have understood, Sharaji. Now there are two things that you can see. There is a squeezed price zone and there is a momentum zone. So
Right, sir.
let's see whether this particular squeezed price zone emerges again or not. Have you seen, Sharaji?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This particular squeeze price zone has emerged again. But the wonderful thing about this particular price zone is see how exactly it is matching. Sorry.
The other one, upper one. Yeah, that. This,
Okay,
the lower. This one.
okay.
Yeah.
So see the surprise. Exactly 273 days and 39 bars.
Yeah.
I mean, one odd day or one odd bar could be here and there that
Yes.
you can grant me. So, but it is quite a match. So, as a layman, what do you think, Sharaji? Should this particular momentum repeat itself?
I think so, sir. It should repeat itself because
Okay,
the past is saying that it happened once, so it should again
it
happen
happened
again.
once.
And there are
Okay.
chances of bounce back, and chances of touching the upper zone is very high right now.
No, because you see, it is the particular stock price is at its support zone as of now.
Yes.
So it is but obvious that it has to bounce back from here. And since it's a very long support zone, so the probability of its breaking the support zone is very, very unlikely. So do you
Correct, sir.
agree with me on
Yes,
this
yes,
account?
completely, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now, but when we give some trading idea, so we have to put it into some kind of a form. So I personally feel that from the current price level, the stock, if it gains momentum, it will go up to 35% on the higher side. And then we will so what is this this particular 34% is transforming into, so the target is coming to around 215. uh, the current price is 160, but since there is only one support zone, so we would like to give some stop loss also.
Right.
The stop loss we have taken is a structure low, that
Yes.
is 133.
33.
So, Sharadji, this was a very, very short and sweet, very rather brief analysis of this particular stock. So, do you want to ask me anything or add anything,
So,
or from
uh,
the viewer's point of view, want to
yes,
say
sir.
anything?
I do have one question because as we know about the news, it's not that negative, but we know that CFO resigned from his post. So there can be
Okay.
some negativity in the, there can be some, we can expect some negativity in the stock. So in that
Okay.
case, are
Okay.
you advising some trade management or something?
Yeah, definitely, Sharaji. There is not much of a scope for trade management, but from the current level, it can go up to the support level, which is hardly 1 or 2%.
Yes.
And from there, it should bounce back. So I feel not
So
much of
that,
a scope for trade management.
yeah.
And in case it goes, it breaks the structure low, then one has to exit the stock
Yeah. So
and
that,
wait for further
so
levels.
that negativity, we can say it can come to a zone of 155 to 140, 150 to 155 zone. So at that zone, we can add more.
Yes, definitely, Sharaji.
Yes, yes,
Definitely, you are
yes.
very correct. Very correct.
So,
So
yeah.
I don't have anything more to
Okay.
add. Now I would request you to say few things about either the analysis or anything else that you want to add.
I want to add another thing because the festive season is coming, and we all understand that paint sales are going to increase. It's a every year thing, so we should understand that as well. And right now the price is at the supports, so we don't have much to lose, and it's a very good trade. And the returns are 34%. So I think we should go with it. And just keep in mind that there is a stop loss. Stop loss is given in case something extreme happens in the uh, this stock, or some very bad news comes in the stock. In that case, the stop loss is required because we have to preserve the capital of the investors or traders. Uh, there is one
Definitely.
disclosure that we are not SEBI registered analyst. In case you are taking any trading decision, please consult your financial advisor, and please do like our video and share our video with your near and dear ones. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share with your loved ones. And you can follow us on Telegram channel as well, because we provide information about the stocks we analyze time to time, so that you can keep track of the stock, that what is happening in that particular stock. So that you can also join our new batch, which is starting on 17th of this month, 17th September, so that you can learn how to analyze a stock. You can learn
Definitely.
from very basic of technical analysis, and I can assure you that this 3-month course is one of the best in the market. So because we learned from that course only. So do like our video, please share our video. Thanks a lot.
Siraji, one
Yeah.
more, sorry, I have one more announcement to make in connection with the basic course that we are starting on 17th. We will be organizing a seminar. Sorry, not seminar, it's a webinar
Webinar.
on Saturday at 7 p.m. So I would request viewers to join that webinar and try to understand what we are going to teach you in the course. At the end of the webinar, we will be giving few trades also. So it's a win-win situation for you all.
Yes.
So thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
viewers. Good
Thank you and
day
bye
and
bye.
goodbye. See
Yeah.
you next time. Bye-bye.